Hey everyone, happy Cinco de Mayo. In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Cinco de Mayo piñata surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Cinco de Mayo surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with our piñata, let's begin by drawing the top. So I'm going to start right about here, and let's begin by making a line that's just going to come up. It's going to round off the top and then come down. Almost looks like a triangle with the rounded top instead of being pointy. Now let's do that same thing over here. So we're just going to come out and then kind of round it down to here. And we'll do that same thing here. Just kind of come out and then round it off to about here. Now, kind of lined up with this, we're going to do the same thing but just at the bottom now. So this time, starting right here, let's just go down and then we're going to come up. And then lined up here, we're just going to go out and then connect it to here. And then same thing, just kind of come out, rounded point, and then bring it over to here. Now let's add some fun details. Let's begin by making a sad face, and then we'll make a little happy face for like the center. Right around it, let's make like a little wiggly line, and then make another little wiggly line. And then let's do another bigger one right around here. Just making this kind of fun little simple wiggly line. Now up here, let's make some lines. Let's go 1, 2, and then 3. And we'll do that across each one. 1, 2, and 3. And we're just going to repeat this on all of these. This way we have some options to do some different colors on our piñata. So we're just going to make these 3 lines right across each one of the points that we made with our piñata. Next, what we're going to do is let's make some little wavy lines on the ends of each one of these. You can do about 2 to 3 little wavy lines on each one. And this will just kind of make some fun little details on our little piñata. So we're just going to make these little wavy lines right across there. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have 2 halves of our piñata. We have the top and the bottom. So let's begin by making this line come down, and this line come down, and this line come up, and this line come up. Then let's just make some kind of little zigzag lines kind of going right across here. And same thing here, just like some little zigzag lines going right across. Then we can bring these lines down and just kind of continue these little wiggly lines that we made. Do that same thing here, bring these lines up and just kind of continue these little wiggly lines. Now, let's write Cinco de Mayo in here. So let's begin by writing Cinco. So I'm just going to make a kind of curved line here. And then we'll just kind of make some lines and then just connect it. And I'm kind of using this line as a little guide. Then we're going to make the eye using like a rectangle. And we'll make a little circle above. Then we're going to make our N shape right here. We'll make another little C shape right here. And then we'll just make our O, making kind of like an oval with a small one inside. Now, when we do our de Mayo, let's start with our D over here with a little curve. We're going to go up, over, down, and connect. Do a little circle in there. We'll do our lowercase e and just kind of curve this around, connect it. We're going to make our M. We'll do these in all capital. So we're going to make our big M. We'll do our A, keeping everything kind of close together. Then we're going to do our Y. And then we'll do another O over here. Now let's add some fun little things inside here. So starting here, let's make a line across our O. And then we'll make a line here and a line here. We're going to make a little line that comes over and up, and then down and up. Then we'll connect it. Then we're going to make a little curve. Then right across here, so it looks like a little sombrero, let's make a little zigzag line. And then some wavy lines here. Over here, let's make some maracas. Let's make 2 ovals. So we'll make 1. And then we'll make a little line down for the handle. Then we'll make a second one. We'll do a curve. And then another little handle. We'll do a curve across the top of each one. Another line and some zigzags. Another line and some zigzags. Now over here, let's do a guitar. So we're just going to make a curved line like this. And then another curved line like this. We'll make a little rectangle. And then we'll make a little square on top. We're going to extend this little part down. And we're going to make a circle at the end. And then a little skinny rectangle. With a couple little circles on the top. And then we'll make some little lines that come up and down. And then we're just going to make another little curve here. Next, right over here, I'm going to make like a wavy line like this. I'm going to come down and then make another wavy line and come down. And then we'll add a couple little wavy lines just so we can kind of have like some colors for like the Mexican flag. And then right across here, let's just go ahead and make these little kind of like square rectangle shapes. So it looks like our piñata is kind of like bursting open with confetti. So we're just going to make these all over the place, little square rectangle shapes. And we're just going to put these all over. So it's going to put these all around there. And there you go. When we have it all closed up, we have our fun little piñata. And then when we open it, we've got our Cinco de Mayo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.